Hi, M5826. Please introduce yourself.
Hello sir, good afternoon. I am Geraldine A. Estuesta. I am 35 years old and happily married with two daughters. Their ages are 16 and 4 years old. I graduated college with the Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am a Christian.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Okay. I served 5 members of the family with the 2 couples, 1 elderly, 1 child, and then 1 baby.
Okay.
With 2 years old.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
I wash dishes, wash clothes, ironing, marketing, cooking.
Okay. And you also taking care of pet, right?
Yes, sir.
How many pets do you take care and what kind of pets?
2 and 2 dogs, sir.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your child, which is 4 years old, you are the one who took care of her
Yes, sir.
for until she's birth or when she was birth, right?
From
Newborn?
From newborn to 6 months, sir.
Okay, you are the one who took care of this child, so that you know how to prepare a milk,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, sir, and then if it is hungry, and then I will see also if the diaper is full, sir.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, what will you do?
I will call my employer, sir, and tell that the baby will not stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, sir, for financial problem and for my daughter's education, sir, or future.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my 2 years contract, sir, and if my employer want to extend and if my employer want to extend my contract, I will be willing to extend, sir.
Okay, you are willing to extend. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food? For sure you don't have any idea, right?
No, sir.
Okay, but it's okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
By watching YouTube, sir, or by reading cooking books, sir.
Okay, and you could also ask for your employer if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with a helper?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or on holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Sharing jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Hello to my future employer. I am willing to. I will be doing my best, very best, to do my responsibilities and duties in your family. And if you
Can you promise that you will take good care of their children as your own?
yes, sir, I be willing to take care of them, sir.
Okay, and also can you promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of their
Yes,
house?
sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Geraldine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.